in Turkey, besides rigid-minded mullahs and common people, there are also rationalists and Freemason people, quite few people in understanding.
Freemasons are not rationalists.
They seem like that.
Not at all. Freemasons, first of all, let him translate this part and then I'll correct you.
Yes.
Your concept of Freemasons is completely false, because Freemasons are only free in name. Otherwise, they are very strictly commanded by the Jewish hierarchy. So much so that they take the oath of allegiance to the effect that if they reveal any secret of what they are told, they must be condemned to death. And they are always condemned to death. Anybody who dares to reveal the secrets of Freemasonry to any outsider will die for reasons unknown. He may meet an accident, he may commit suicide, but he must die. This is what Freemasonry is. So if the people in Turkey are duped to believe that Freemasonry is absolutely all right and you are free to do whatever you like, it is absolutely false. Rationality is a different thing altogether. If you are irrational, nobody can command you. It is your rationality which becomes your master. In Freemasonry, the masters are others than your own rationality.